29th. Hey, Tom.
What's up?
Good to see you.
And you?
You guys have a game right after this.
You've seen that you're the star of our tryout video?
I haven't watched it yet. No,
That's so funny.
What a great goal!
I get a little excited.
It was a good goal, though.
It was a great goal.
Come on, Claire. Come on, so.
Come on, Leah. Come on, Leah.
Aiden, keep her on the out. Keep her on the outside, kid. Good, Aiden. Still you, still you.
Good, Leah.
Aiden, very well done.
Good, Aiden. Oh, I love her.
Aiden, very well done.
So good. I got a minute left. Keep it out of danger. Come on. Oh, come on, can't get it there. Same girl. Good save, Leah. Good, Leah. Great save, Leah.
That's what he does. He goes, Again, we don't always have to slant everything forward here. Chloe,
You girls are playing here right after?
Yeah. So we can look.
That's convenient.
That's where she has the most support. We're pushing into one person on 4.